Let it, sorry, you want to add something?
Sir, may I say something?
Please do.
Which I am morally bound to express my view, sir. Actually, this matter, when this reference was filed before this Honorable Court under 186 of Constitution, from the very beginning proceeding till today, there were, I think 7 or 8 proceedings were conducted. Till the time the temporary
15.
15. Yes, I was there. In the first hearing, I still very much remember, in the first hearing, before going to commence the proceedings, that time of the Honorable Bench, presided by the Honorable Chief Justice Zulfiqar, they said this matter is of a very, very important matter, and it is not upon the honorable judges to decide the matter. It is required. This bench requires that a panel of amicus curiae be appointed. So, first of all, the first order was made. That was a appointment of a panel of 10.
We've read it already.
Sir, आप मेरी बात तो सुनिए सर. मैंने feel किया सर. I really felt. मैंने feel किया सर. So
sorry. We don't expect counsel to have feelings.
No, sir.
No. Please, we've already read the order. We've noted the number of amicus who've passed away. We have noticed. We have asked you if you are willing to continue.
Where is it?
No, but feelings keep at home.
Sir, what I felt. वो सारे जितने अमाइकस थे वो सारे एवरी प्रोसीडिंग्स में थे, तो उनमें से कुछ की डेथ हो गई है, मगर दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट डिडंट से ए फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ सॉरो. मिसाल के तौर पे सर, मेरी देख मैं आई एम वन ऑफ द
कुदरत साहब, I must no, please take your seat now. No, bus, that's it. No, please take your seat. I request you. Let us take the case with the seriousness it deserves. No, please. We will not permit this forum to become a talking point or any other reason. No, sorry, this will not be on. If you're talking about the case, yes. If you're talking about something else, please, there is a lot of media here. Go outside and make a statement. Sir, you are free to do so. चलिए, अच्छा, अब हम ऑर्डर डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. आप आपको रिक्वेस्ट ही कर सकते हैं ना कि आप तशरीफ रख लें. कसूरी साहब को भी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं.
थैंक यू सर.
जी, शुक्रिया. इसमें वो जो अमाइकस थे वो कौन सा ऑर्डर था अटॉर्नी जनरल?
लॉर्ड, इट वाज 21st of April 2011.
21st of April.
मेन फाइल.
हाँ, ठीक है.
इसमें नहीं लगा हुआ 21st में अप्रैल को. It's in the actual file. It starts with
Paragraph number 2 of that order, 21st April 2011.
मेरा भी तो था, वो आप जब फाइल देना वापस. इसमें है.
Page 26.
हाँ, ठीक है. I found it. वो उसके अलावा पूरा चाहिए. इसमें लिखें इसमें लिखिए reference number 1 of 2011 was filed by the President of Pakistan under Article 186 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which was entertained by this court. Full stop. A number of hearings took place, but unfortunately the matter was not concluded. The last hearing that took place, the last time when the matter was fixed in court was on 12th of November 2012, but unfortunately thereafter the matter was not fixed in court and has remained pending. Attorney General, can you also let us know the total number of presidential references that have been filed in the Supreme Court under 186? If such information can be, or as far back as you can go. Subsequently, a number of other presidential references were taken up, heard, and decided by this court. But this is the oldest pending remaining presidential reference. Is there any other presidential reference remaining before us?
I am not aware of any, sir.
Pending reference. Full stop. It merits determination. Therefore, it merits determination as early as possible. Full stop. Mr. Farooq Naik, learned senior ASC,